Hey there, welcome to today's video where we're going to dive into an interesting problem that can occur when dealing with C constructs. The problem at hand involves a piece of code that some compilers accept, while others reject. It's all about how a specific C construct like expr0, expr1, expr2 evaluates and whether it's valid or not. In the solution provided, it's clear that in C, the code in question is not valid. The language standard dictates that the result of the comma operator does not yield an value, making it a non-lvalue and therefore not usable as an lvalue. However, in C++, things are different. The comma operator in C++ results in an lvalue, allowing the code to be valid in that context. It's interesting to see how different compilers handle this scenario, with some being stricter about following the standard than others. In summary, we've explored a fascinating problem related to C constructs and how they are interpreted by compilers. While the code presented may seem valid in some cases, it's essential to understand the nuances of each language's standards to determine its correctness. Remember to stay curious and keep exploring the intricacies of programming. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, happy coding!